Kaylan Richardson. I'm studying elementary education, and today I'm going to take you around the College of Education here at Wichita State. We're starting off in the Corbin Education Center, which was designed by the architect Frank Lloyd Wright. Corbin Education Center is home to many of our education classes, our advising office, and even our Division I esports team. Students here can also take advantage of the Teacher Apprenticeship Program, or TAP, which partners with school districts across Kansas, including Wichita's USD 259, the largest in the state. This allows students to work full-time as paraeducators while earning college credit. Students can also gain experience right here on campus at the Child Development Center, Wichita State's very own daycare program. This is the Heskett Center, home to campus recreation and many of our physical education classes. The Heskett Center is also home of human performance studies, majors like athletic training and exercise science, along with their advising offices. Our Human Performance Lab also gives students hands-on applied learning in their area of study. This is Hubbard Hall, home to sports management and organizational leadership and learning classes and advising office. Our sports management students have opportunities for internships and applied learning across the globe. Our programs also rank in the top 25 in the nation for sports management programs. Thanks for coming along with me. You can come see campus for yourself by scheduling a campus visit at wichita.edu/visit. See you soon. Go shop.